My name is Harry Tonegemo and welcome to my PDE1130 panel project video. In this project, we were asked to collect physical data from two different sensors and send them to the cloud for visualization. In my code, I was able to set up the serial monitor as well as specify what particular pins to be used for output and what particular pins to be used for input. In my loop function, I was able to use the Middlesex function to get the current time in order for us to execute a particular code during an interval. In this case, the interval is 15,000 milliseconds or 15 seconds. When this 15 seconds has passed, we'll be able to get the value from the read switch. We're also able to calculate the distance and convert it to centimeters. In our Python project, in a Python file, we made use of three libraries: a serial library for communicating with the serial monitor, datetime library for accessing current data time, URL library for performing network requests. Whenever we find the distances and read switch states, the serial monitor, we send the value via the serial monitor. We use this library to get those values from the serial monitor. This particular block of code just initializes the serial communication with the serial monitor, as well as specify the APIs that we're going to be using for communication later on. In the while loop, we get the value from the serial monitor, and then we pass that value inside this function. The function then formats the data gotten into the format that we can use. Afterwards, we then append those values inside this URL for network request. If you look closely, the read sensor is passed at field 1 and the ultrasonic sensor is passed at field 2. After we've gotten the value and sent them to the API, we can check our TeamSpeak channel on the cloud and see how it is visualized in this manner. This is for the read magnetic switch. Whenever the magnet is around a magnetic field, it returns 1. When it is not, it returns 0. For the ultrasonic sensor, since this is just a visualization of the relative distances of the sensor to other objects, it tends to be haphazard looking. That's all I have for my project. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it.